Over time, you might need to replace batteries within the tools. How often you need to do that depends upon the product itself. So if we start with the drills and impact drivers, which have this technology built straight in, they'll run off the normal power tool pack. All the communication will draw through from that most of the time, as long as you've got a pack on there. However, if you remove that pack, you still want the tool to be able to communicate with your device, to give you those alerts perhaps, and make sure that you've got the latest last seen position and so on as well. So we also have a secondary coin cell that sits just underneath here in the foot of the tool. That's not easy for you to replace yourself, but it might be that it needs replacing after about 3 years. Our service centres can do that for you nice and easily and inexpensively. If you have a tag, these also run off coin cells, but these are not replaceable, and there's a good reason for that. We wanted these to be really well sealed, so they're protected from ingress from dust and water. So we can actually rate these at IP67, which means that they're dust proof, but they're also waterproof to a depth of 1 metre for up to 30 minutes. The final element is the connector. So again, the connector runs off a coin cell, but we don't want that to be easy to remove from the tool, and we don't want it to be easy to get to the coin cell on there. So what we've done is we've approached this in a slightly different way. The power tool battery is going to communicate the device whilst it's on the tool, but also it's going to take a charge so it can communicate even if it doesn't have the battery on there.